Hi everyone, today I want to share something very special with you. A project that started as leftover yarn and slowly grew into a full jacket. I'm calling it the Harvest Jacket. So this is another seamless one-piece jacket that I have been working on. A new invention that grew from my idea of starting with a crochet mandala and turning it into a cardigan. Along the way, I was inspired by some beautiful cals, Persian tiles, peacock plumes, and color splash. I mixed them carefully, always keeping my own vision in mind. And that's how the Harvest Jacket came alive. Since I was looking for a circular pattern, I began with the Persian tiles cal, working it up to round 8. As at that point we have to turn to the back side of the project, but I felt it wasn't giving the look I wanted, so I decided to add 2 rounds of my own choice here, that are round 9 and 10. So I chose yellow for the center because this shape reminds me of the sun, and this shape is a corn of cob to me, so I added green and yellow here. And this design at round 8 is a cornflower to me. So the Persian tiles pattern gave the piece a fresh harvest look right from the beginning. After 2 custom rounds of my own, I added 3 rounds of Tulip Stitch in colors pink and green. It gave the circle a soft garden vibe and added a completely new dimension to the design. After the tulips came something bold. I worked 14 rounds of colorful small feathers from the cal of Peacock Plumes pattern. And then came the step that really makes this project unique, turning the big circle into a wearable jacket. I created corners within the rounds to shape the sleeves and front panels. This transformation from a flat circle to a jacket with sleeves and structure is the most important part of the Harvest Jacket. I think many of you will want to learn this technique because it is the key to making a garment out of a motif. Once the shaping was done, I started working the color splash mosaic crochet pattern. I stayed with the harvest palette, that is green, yellow and shades of pink, so the whole design stayed consistent. So that's the journey so far. Persian tiles, corn cobs, tulip blooms, peacock plumes and mosaic splash, all stitched together into the harvest jacket. To finish the shaping, I closed the cardigan across the 2 shoulder lines, joining in a way that the stitches merge naturally into the design. And for the neckline, I worked simple single crochets, keeping it clean and neat. I have created several other one-piece no-sew cardigans using the same seamless techniques. If you would like to understand the basics behind this style, I recommend watching those as well. Now I would love to hear from you. Would you like me to share this as a detailed tutorial, or would you enjoy a live crochet along where we stitch together in real time? Or maybe a step-by-step cal series so you can follow at your own pace. And tell me also, should I keep the mosaic ends loose as fringe or weave them in neatly? Your feedback will help me decide the next steps of this harvest jacket journey.